Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see you feature SAMER BEDINN featured in Rash Balash, famous YouTuber video. You know, I'll also be featured when I win the PS5.
Oh, you're not winning the PS5.
Why?
I'm about to play Smash, trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
Hi everyone!
I do the intro. What's poppin'?
What's poppin', everyone? It's your girl, SAMER BEDINN, back at it again with another video. Today featuring guest star.
Yo, what's poppin', everyone? It's your boy Rash Balash, being kind enough to let this dummy head be on my videos.
I'm the star here.
That's Cap. Enough about her. We have a big package to unbox.
Yeah, you know, this just showed up on our doorstep, so we don't know what's inside of it.
You want to open it?
Sure.
Oh my
Pink!
God. Whoa.
You guys see? It's so cool.
Let me bring it over. Whoa, it
There's
says
a little card.
Happy Valentine's
Let's open it
Day.
up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Whoa! It has a little fox on it.
Aw.
Let's read it. Oh my gosh. She has 3 themes in total. Stay at home, florals and hearts, and love in the air. And they're all red velvet, my favorite.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what's under all of this confetti. Whoa.
Dang.
The first one I see is this one. It's so pretty. It says love in purple. That's so cool. Oh my gosh.
It actually smells really good.
Oh my god.
It actually
I'm so
really
excited.
Does. Check out this one, yo. What the heck?
That must be for Love is in the Air.
Love is in the air.
And then she made some little clouds. That's so, oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Some more little hearts. Another layer.
Okay.
Wow, there's so many
There's
cookies in
actually
here.
a ton of these cookies.
Wow.
Okay, this is clouds, so it's gotta be
Love in the
love
Air.
in the air.
Oh my gosh, look at these heart ones. Look at like all the details. Wow, that's so cool. I didn't even know you could do that on cookies.
Okay, this one. Do you think it's? I mean, look at the lines. I can't imagine the patience.
Look at how straight they are.
Yeah.
I can't even draw straight lines on a piece of paper.
All
Oh my
right.
gosh, and then there's a little house. This must be stay at home. It's so cool. She made little like windows and a door and so cute.
Okay, this is kind of insane.
I think this might be my favorite so far.
Alright, this is definitely florals and hearts.
Wait, this one's so cool. She wrapped them all like individually for us. This one says I love you.
Oh, she loves you.
She does, she loves me, not you. Another stay at home one. Look at these windows. Wow.
Okay, this is actually insane.
Okay, I think we might have saved the best for last. This is another one of the hot air balloons, but look at how big it is. And look at the little like details on it. Oh my gosh. Like I want to ride in this right now.
Should we do a little taste test?
Yes, which ones do you want to taste?
These. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do that
Okay.
one. Alright, we're
So
about to
these
taste
are little hearts.
these.
Okay, I'm excited. Which one do you want? The pink one or the white one?
Oh, definitely pink.
Okay. Here you go, famous YouTuber Rash Balash.
Oh, wow. Calling me
So
by my-
famous.
What?
I'm the famous one here now. Everyone knows me as famous YouTuber SAMER BEDINN.
No, you're just YouTube GF SAMER BEDINN.
Not even real.
Famous
video.
YouTuber Rash Balash, YouTube GF SAMER BEDINN. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Are you ready?
I'm excited.
Cheers.
Oh my god. It's really good.
It's really good. It's actually really good.
Yeah. Red velvet. I can
She
definitely
said-
taste it.
Okay, yeah, she said it was all red velvet.
Yeah.
It smells and it's so good.
Wow. You guys have to try these. What would you rate them?
11 out of 10.
Same.
Because, okay, the designs, literally.
Amazing.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. The
Taste?
taste is so good. Like,
Even like her packaging was so nice. The layering, the confetti. She included a heart card. It's so pretty too. Like
the whole aesthetic.
She put a little like gem on it and a little fox and like wrote us a handwritten message.
It's so good.
Definitely order from her.
The smell is something I can't get over.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It smells like, even though she shipped these to us, it smells like whenever you have cookies in the oven and like your whole house smells like the cookies.
Yeah, I need to be taught. What the? It must smell so good in her house.
I'm still surprised at how she was literally able to make windows on a cookie.
Okay,
And the plant one was wild.
Check that out.
Wow.
Literally, look at all these freaking designs. Like, every single thing here is its own dot that she drew. Now, who are we talking about? Rogue Fox Bakery. Go check her out on freaking Instagram. She posts a bunch of her designs and stuff here. They're freaking delicious.
Wow.
Go give her a follow, give her some support because these are amazing.
I just devoured that cookie. So good. You guys have to try it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Wow.
Happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. Don't worry, guys and girls. It's not too late to get your boyfriend or girlfriend something for Valentine's Day, and I think that you should definitely order cookies for them.
So, photo time?
Yes.
Alright.
This is the best day of my life. I met Rashford!